Welcome to SADX, Grade 6 Math. Today's topic integer. Let's start. Use number line and add the following. Here is 9 plus minus 6. So look, we are starting from 0. First 9. 9 is a plus 9, is a positive 9. So we should mark here. Now we will add minus 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, it doesn't mean 0 to minus 6. It should be from 9 to minus 6. So here our answer will be plus 3. We know 9 plus and minus will be minus. So minus 6, our answer is 3. And look, here is 3. Okay, it's a very simple thing. So first we have to mark from 9, and from here this one is like this, plus 9, and from here to here it's a what? Minus 6. Okay, and our answer is 3. Number B, 5 plus minus 11. So what will happen? Look, first from 0 to point out 5. So from 0 to here is plus 5. Now we will add minus 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So here is minus 6. So from here to here is a minus 11. So first will happen here and here minus 11. So our result will be minus 6. Okay, how? Look, we can write in here 5 plus and minus will be minus, then 11, 5 minus 11 is a minus 6. So our number line also mention minus 6. Very simple. Now another one. Look, here is first minus 1. So 0 to here minus 1. So this is starting point. Now again minus 7. From minus 1 we will add minus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is minus 8. From where? This one to minus 1. So first we will start from 0, then minus 1, and minus 1 we will add minus 7. Therefore our answer will be minus 8. Now let's check. Minus 1, then plus and minus will be minus, then minus 7. So minus 1 and minus 7, it will be minus 8, right? Next, here is minus 5. So from 0 and here is minus 5. Okay, so this one to here, first here minus 5. Now we will add 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 5, it means plus 5. So minus 5 to here plus 5, we will add plus 10, right? So our answer is plus 5. How? Look, minus 5 and then plus 10. So it will become 5, and this is our answer. Very simple. Next, number 2, add without using number line. So it's a common thing. Number A, here is 11 plus minus 7. So this one we can write 11 plus and minus will be minus 7. Our answer is 4. Number B, minus 13 plus 18. So what will happen? This one is minus 13. Plus and plus, it should be plus, then 18. Our answer is what? Minus 13 plus 18, it will be 5. Number C, minus 10 plus 19. So here is minus 10, then plus and plus plus 19. So minus 10 plus 19, it will be 9. Number D, minus 1, then plus minus 2, then plus minus 3. So here is minus 1, plus and minus, it will be minus, then 2, plus and minus, minus, here is 3. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, it will be minus 6. Number E, first minus 2 at 8 plus minus 4. So first minus 2, then plus 8, plus and minus minus, it should be minus 4. Now look, minus 2 minus 4 will be minus 6. So 8 minus 6, our answer is 2. Very simple. Here is some math also. Number A, we should add, here is 137 and minus 35 we will add. So we can write like this, 137 plus then minus 35. This one we can write 137 plus and minus minus 35. So what will happen? 7 minus 5 is a 2, 3 minus 3 is 0 and 1, and this is our answer. Number B, minus 52, add 52, right, plus 52. So minus 52 plus 52, it will be 0. Number C, minus 31, then add 39, then add 19. So here is minus 31 plus, this is both addition sign. So 9 plus 9 is a 18, 8, 3 plus 1 is a 4, carry 1, so 5. Now 58 and 31, once we compare, 58 is a bigger, so it should be plus sign. 1 minus 8 is a 7, 5 minus 3 is a 2, so our answer is 27. Number D, minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. So here is minus 50 plus and minus minus 200 plus 300. Now look, minus 50 minus 20, it should be minus 50, 250 plus 300. So answer will be plus 50. Very easy. Now find sum. Very interesting. Number A, we can write it here. Minus 7 plus and minus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. 7 and 9, once we make add, it will be 16. So it should be minus 16 plus 20. So minus 16 plus 20, it will be plus 4. And here 37 plus and minus minus 2, plus and minus minus 65, and plus and minus minus 8, right? Now look, this is only positive sign, so 37. Here is 2 minus 2 minus 65 minus 8, it will become minus 75, right? So 75 is a bigger than 37, so we should use minus sign, and then 75 minus 37, it will be, here is 8 4, so 38, it should be minus 38. So no more today. This video I am trying to show some number line and also addition with negative number. So this is very important for beginner. We have to know something like plus and plus, once we multiply it will become plus. Plus and minus, once we multiply it will become minus. Again minus plus, it will become minus. Minus and minus, once we multiply it will become plus. Okay, so this is very important. And also we should use large sign, like plus 5 minus 7. So it's a very easy thing. 7 and 5, once we subtract we will use 2, but 7 is bigger than 5, so we should use negative 2. Okay, so thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel SadX. In this channel I am trying to solve lots of mathematical term based on primary level to lower secondary. So stay tuned with me, keep hard working and share with your friends. I feel very happy if you support me by sharing and subscribing. Thank you.